Hello students, welcome back to Dr. Shoraf's classes. So today we are looking at a specimen from the Madras School of Economics. Okay, now why should you care? Because MSE is not just a school, it's the hunger games for the people who like the spreadsheets. And if you want to work at the Reserve Bank of India or become the next chief economic advisor, then you have to pass through their gates. Okay, and their gates are guarded by the differential equations. Now look at the question. So what's this saying? What is the order and degree of the following differential equation? This is the equation. So option A says second order, third degree. Option B says seventh order, fifth degree. Option C says third order, fifth degree. And option number D says third order, seventh degree. Okay, so let's solve this. Just give me a second. Making some space to write. Yeah. Okay. Now, in economics, order is like the generation of a family, like grandpa, father, son, while degree is like the power of wealth they hold. You can be a third generation but only have $5, that is the degree 5. In calculus, it's the same thing. Now, look at the equation. So, the equation says d2y dx2 whole to the power 7 and d3y dx3 whole to the power 5 is 75y, right? Now most of the people see numbers and panic, but don't be that most people. Now this is the highest derivative present. It's the boss of the equation. How many times did we differentiate? We see a d2y dx2. That's a second order derivative, right? And d3y dx3, that is the third order derivative. Okay. Now the rule is the order is the highest number of the primes between a 2 and a 3, and the 3 wins every time. Okay, so it's the heavyweight champion, you can say. Now here is where the MSE examiners try to catch you slipping. Okay, they put a 7 on the second derivative and 5 on the third derivative. Now many students think, oh, 7 is bigger than 5, so the degree must be 7. But this is wrong. That's like saying your younger brother is the head of the house because he has a louder voice. No. Now the degree is the power of the highest order derivative only. Okay. Once you pick the boss, like the third order, you ignore the powers of everyone else, and the third derivative is raised to the power 5, therefore the degree is 5. So look at our options. Second order, no, that's too weak. Option B says seventh order, dumb, the power is 7, not an order, so this is also wrong. Now the option number C, this is the third order, fifth degree, bingo, that's our winner. And option number D says third order, seventh degree. Nice try, but you looked at the wrong exponent, so this is also wrong. So the final answer for this question will be our option number C. Why? Because in life and in MSc examination, you find the highest authority, that is the order, and then you check how much power they actually have, that is the degree. And if you can master this, you are one step closer to Chennai and a career in making sense of the world's chaos. Now, this is the total solution. Okay, so if I talk about the order, the definition is what? The highest derivative d and y dxn. Okay, and in our equation the form is d3y dx3. Okay, and if I talk about the degree, then the power of that highest derivative and in our equation this is the exponent of d3y dx3. Okay, now this is the whole scenario we are tackling. Okay, so see you in the next session guys. Till then, bye bye.